What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and today we're looking at the Scopepic Nomad Digital Night Vision Binoculars. Now, Scopepic is actually really well known for their hunting and gun-mounted scopes and things like that. So they have a lot of experience in night vision, and this is a collaboration with them to create a really solid binocular set for all use cases. So yeah, I'm excited to try this out because it's supposed to be 4K with night vision and quite a bit of actual optical zoom, which of course binoculars are required for, but in terms of having a screen with optical zoom, it's really, really cool. So it's got built-in illumination, so you can get some really nice, easy to see shots and change the levels of it so it's actually easier to recognize based on how dark it is and how far away the object is from you. So you can see here we can even get quite a bit of color as opposed to older versions that might only support black and white. This is allowing you to get full color at night using their technology, which is pretty insane. Not only does it let you track that distance, but it actually lets you record as well. So you'll be able to record whatever you're seeing through the binoculars, which is great for sightseeing, bird watching, things like that as well. It even has a built-in, obviously the LCD is built in, but it has a rangefinder, so you actually know how far away things are when you're looking at them, which is pretty freaking cool. So let's take a look at the device itself because I can't wait to actually try this out. We've been looking at specs far too often. Very well packed. It comes in a nice foam packaging here. We do have some accessories, and of course you saw this really nice aesthetic for the box, having it open like that. Very cool design. Let's see what the accessories include. All right, so we've got a very nicely padded and stretchy strap, so you can keep it around your neck, and it's not going to dig in or anything like some of the more, I'll just say cheaper straps. This is actually a really nice material on that. We're given a USB A to C cable for charging and two batteries here. These look like 18650 sized batteries. So these are rechargeable and hold 2,200 milliamp hours each. So quite the power punch there. We've got a nice lens cleaner that they include, which is cool to see. And if we pop the other side off, we have a microfiber lens cleaner as well. We've got a USB-A power adapter, and this looks to be 5-volt 2-amp, nothing crazy. You'll be able to charge it with any of your USB ports most likely. We've got a phone mount, so you can mount your phone on top of it and potentially record while you're looking through it. They've given us a battery charger for these, so we're not plugging in the device itself, we're actually charging the batteries through this, so we can charge one at a time here and just plug it in through USB here, and that looks to be standard USB 5-volt micro USB. Plug that into your computer or just the plug that they give you, and you'll be able to charge that battery just fine. So that's on the back end. And check this out, they actually gave us a little tripod for it, and a nice looking tripod too. If we open this up, you'll see that you'll see it locks into place, and if we open this up, we can just place this wherever we need, unlock that, change the orientation and everything, and get it set up. So cool to see that they included that many accessories. But let's take a look at the main event, and I almost dropped it, I almost pulled a Linus there. But check this out. So let's get the batteries in on the bottom. Now there is a micro SD card slot here and a USB port, likely to copy files off of the device as opposed to charging it, since they did give us a separate charger. I'm assuming that's the case. They also give us a mount, which we can use for mounting onto a tripod. So if I just unscrew this, we are given the tripod mount there, as well as an adjustable focus or zoom here. Let's go ahead and turn this on. Wow, that was silly of me. So we can see here that we're actually looking at the screen super close up. So you're looking at me right now, super close up. Not very well because it's probably pointed at the light or whatever. But we're able to zoom in and see everything on that screen right there, which is really cool. And it's a fairly high resolution screen too. It's not obviously 1080p or anything, but that is a very nice looking screen, especially for the size in your hand, it feels really good. Let's go ahead and zoom out a little bit. So the bottom is the focus, and we can get very, very focused there. That's cool. And it also has Wi-Fi, so you can connect to Wi-Fi and access the files that way as well. So super, super cool. Manual focus on the bottom, so you can get all the really nice night vision features. You have your zoom on the left and right side, so it's very easy to hold. And even someone with glasses like me doesn't have to rely on optics. We can actually see it on the screen close up and see what's in there. You can record and you can take pictures right from the device itself. And you can turn on or off the infrared light. So super solid device from Scope Epic. And yeah, I'll put a link to them in the description below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Peace.